Welcome to Beginner English Practice Channel.
Hello. Who is this?
Hey. It's me, Lisa. Do you remember me?
Lisa. Oh wow. I can't believe it. How are you?
I'm great. How about you?
I'm doing good too. It's been so long.
Yes. I think we last talked 2 years ago.
That's right. Where have you been?
I moved to another city for studies.
Oh, I see. How is your new city?
It's nice, but I miss my old friends.
We miss you too.
Ah, that's so sweet.
Do you visit our city sometimes?
Yes, I do, but not very often.
Next time you visit, we should meet.
Yes. That would be great.
Do you remember our school days?
Oh yes. Those were the best days.
I still remember how we used to play together.
And we always fought for silly things.
Haha. Yes, but we were best friends.
Absolutely. I really miss those days.
Me too. Life was so simple back then.
Yes. No stress, no worries.
So, what are you doing now?
I am studying in college. What about you?
I am also in college now.
That's great. What are you studying?
I am studying computer science.
Wow. That sounds interesting.
Yes. And you?
I am studying business management.
That's nice. You were always good at organizing things.
Haha. Thank you.
Do you still love painting?
Yes. I paint whenever I get time.
That's amazing. I remember your beautiful paintings.
Thanks. And do you still play football?
Yes. I play every weekend with my friends.
That's so cool. You were the best player.
Haha. Not really, but I try.
So, do you still meet our old friends?
Yes. Sometimes we have small get-togethers.
That's so nice. I wish I could join.
You should come next time.
Yes, I will try.
I am so happy we talked today.
Me too. It feels so good to catch up.
Let's stay in touch from now on.
Yes. Let's not wait so long next time.
So, do you use social media?
Yes. I'm on Instagram and WhatsApp.
That's great. What's your Instagram ID?
It's at Lisa Art Lover. What about you?
Mine is at Jake the Explorer.
Haha. Nice name.
Thanks. I love traveling, so I chose this name.
Oh wow. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Yes. I visited the mountains last month.
That sounds amazing. How was it?
It was beautiful. The fresh air, the view, everything was perfect.
I wish I could visit the mountains too.
You should. It's a great experience.
Maybe next year.
So, what's new in your life?
I recently got a pet.
Really? What pet do you have?
A cute little cat. Her name is Bella.
That's awesome. I love cats.
She's so playful and always follows me around.
That sounds adorable.
Do you have any pets?
No, but I want a dog someday.
That would be fun. Dogs are so loyal.
Yes. I just need time to take care of one.
True. Pets need a lot of attention.
By the way, do you still watch movies?
Yes. I love watching movies on weekends.
Me too. What's the last movie you watched?
I watched a romantic comedy last night.
Nice. I prefer action movies.
Haha. You always loved action movies.
And you always loved love stories.
Yes. I'm a hopeless romantic.
Ha. That's why we are such good friends.
Absolutely. Our interests are so different, but we get along so well.
Yes. That's the fun part.
So, when do you have holidays?
I have a short break next month.
Oh, that's great. Are you planning anything?
Not yet, but maybe a trip with friends.
That sounds fun. Let me know if you plan something.
Sure. Maybe we can meet if you're free.
Yes. I would love that.
Wow. This call really made my day.
Me too. I'm so happy we talked.
Let's promise to stay in touch.
Yes. No more long gaps.
I'll text you later. Don't forget to reply.
Haha. I won't. Take care, Jake.
You too, Lisa. Bye.